You can see Jack's umbilical cord is nice and soft and flexible. He's nice, soft, flexible silicone. And then after the cord falls off, this will be taken out, and you put your little scab button in there. This is the interchangeable navel. So now it looks like it's healing. You can see how soft and flexible the silicone is. Cute baby Jack. The mouth is open with the baby tongue in there. So we're going to put his little cap on to keep him warm first off. Okay. And I will put his diaper on. I like these diapers because the little notch cut out for his umbilical cord. I'll put his t-shirt on. Let me get my gloves off here. Even though the silicone is considered a durable material, with the soft silicone, you really do have to be very gentle with it. It can be damaged. So when you're dressing the baby, you're going to want to handle it just as you would support its head. Handle it just as you would a real baby. And when you're putting the hands in the sleeves, not only find your little hand and gently pull it through, but you want to push right here at the elbow at the same time and just kind of gently pull it on. You don't want to stretch the arm and pull it right through the sleeve because you will damage the silicone. It can be damaged if you're not careful. Little baby Jack. And little Jack we're going to put his scratch mittens on so he don't scratch himself. There we go. Now the Just Born kit with the interchangeable navels comes with all of the hospital accessories. You can see how soft little Jack's arm is. You can see how it goes down all by itself. It looks like he's kind of moving it himself. Very soft. You'll get the belly band, which will help protect. You'll wrap this around and bring it around in front and tie it. This helps protect the umbilical cord when it's healing. Plus you get, a lot of the accessories along with it. So the pacifier, Jack can take a pacifier. You're going to gently, you want to come in on this a little bit? You're going to gently get your finger in there and kind of wiggle that pacifier in. Squeeze his cheeks and wiggle it just a little, and it's good. And again, you're going to want to be gentle by doing this because you don't want to tear the corners of his mouth. If you pull that down too far, of course, you may damage it. And the same thing with the bottle. It'll look like he's drinking his bottle. Now we're going to take him over to the bassinet. We're going to get him dressed. Doesn't he look realistic? Look at his little feet. Show you the close-up on the feet. These are life cast from the twin baby that Paul and Paige have. This is the tinier of the twin. And the realism is amazing to see. You can see exactly how they had their little feet in the molds when I cast them. Also the little hands. You can see the little fingers are all separate. Okay. Now I'm going to get baby Jack dressed in a little onesie. You can watch how his hands move as they come out of his sleeves. It's almost like he's moving them himself. And I'm going to show you. Look at this, how his hands will move. All on their own. See how nice and soft and smooth that goes? That's just from moving the baby from side to side. Very realistic. Okay, so now we're going to get him dressed. His head is nice and soft and wobbly. And again, you're going to want to gently pull, but you're also going to want to push up at the elbow and just gently kind of wiggle the fabric around so you're not pulling and tugging. Feels and acts just like a real baby. I'll put his booties on. And the same thing with the booties. You're going to want to open those up, almost turn them inside out and get them started. And put them on and kind of push at the heel a little bit to put them on. You don't want to, stretch the feet on, stretch the legs out or the feet. So open that right up, turn it inside out, get his toes started in there, and push at the heel to fill the booty. Those cute little socks. Look at that. Now we're going to fix his hair. And again, we're going to use the detangle solution. Don't be afraid to get it really nice and wet. Just gently come down from the crown and comb it all straight down. Then I make this little curl at the top. If you want to add a little bit more curls, wet it again and just gently push to give that scrunchy little baby look. And there's little Jack.